Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Titanium Cutting Board. 2-in-1 Cutting Board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, with one side made of food-grade 99.9% pure titanium for cutting raw and cooked meat, and the other side made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruit. High-quality titanium cutting board completely improves the shortcomings of traditional cutting boards. Traditional cutting boards are prone to cutting gaps, leaving food residues at the gaps and absorbing odors and other minor problems. Easy to clean, the material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board in time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable round on the cutting board for easy car. Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners Pot. Make air frying cleaner and easier with the collapsible silicone air fryer basket liners pot. Featured on the Today Show. These reusable silicone bowls fit perfectly in 3 to 5 quart air fryers, giving you a mess-free cooking experience every time. No more scrubbing sticky residue, just cook, lift, and rinse. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, they're safe, durable, and eco-friendly. The collapsible design saves space, while the red and blue 2-pack adds a pop of color to your kitchen. Perfect for fries, chicken, or desserts. These must-have air fryer accessories make cleanup quick and cooking fun. Stainless steel wire masher. Ideal for mashing vegetables. Perfect for mashing root vegetables, avocados, apples, and nuts. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well-balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation under heavy use. The handle features a debossed logo, chrome-plated bolster, and a stainless steel end cap. Rust-resistant. The head is crafted from thick 4-5mm stainless steel wire, which is durable and will not rust. Dishwasher safe. This masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Lifetime limited included. This masher comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Silicone utensil rest. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the Zuli silicone utensil rest with drip pad. This versatile utensil holder is perfect for spoons, ladles, tongs, and more, keeping your stovetop and countertops mess-free while you cook. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it can handle high temperatures without warping or melting. The drip pad catches any excess liquid, making cleanup a breeze. Lightweight, durable, and easy to store, this utensil rest adds convenience and style to your cooking routine. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Zuli silicone utensil rest, the perfect helper for every home chef. Pressure cooker. White heavy checkmark, healthy and safe material. The DeLuban stainless steel pressure cooker is made of high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance to ensure that no harmful substances are released or react with your food. Preserve the flavor of food in the healthiest way, so you can experience its true, original taste. Aluminum products may release harmful substances during high-temperature cooking. White heavy checkmark, advanced safety design. DeLuban induction pressure cookers feature innovative automatic pressure-limiting valves, self-locking valves, safety valves, and safety windows. The automatic pressure-limiting valve keeps the pressure at optimal levels during cooking. When sufficient pressure builds inside the cooker, the central rod of the self-locking valve rises, and once the pressure is released, the rod lowers, allowing the lid to be opened. If the internal pressure exceeds the safety limit, the safety window automatically releases the pressure. Air fryer basket. Keep your air fryer spotless with these reusable silicone air fryer liners. The perfect fit for 3 to 5 quart baskets. Measuring 7.5 inches, these sturdy, heat-resistant liners are built to handle high temperatures while keeping your food crispy and your basket clean. No more scrubbing or tearing paper liners, just cook, lift, and rinse. Made from premium food-grade silicone, they're non-stick, dishwasher-safe, and reusable hundreds of times. Ideal for fries, wings, veggies, and desserts, These air fryer accessories make cooking easier, cleaner, and more eco-friendly. Upgrade your air frying today with these durable silicone liners. Stainless steel fish spatula set. Set of 2 stainless steel spatula. Our spatula set comes with 1 large fish flipper spatula plus 1 small pancake spatula. The large one is perfect for flipping delicate fish fillets, steaks, patties more, while the small one is great for turning small pieces of food like cookies, omelets, pancakes, eggs more. High quality, built to last, durable. Our thin metal spatula set is made from 304 stainless steel that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. This slotted turner allows grease to drain and slides smoothly under food without causing any damage, thanks to its perfect thickness and flexibility. Easy grip with modern design. The lightweight stainless steel turner with a non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, which makes it easier to grill, fry food. Its modern, sleek design doesn't just look good, but fits flawlessly into any kitchen style. Electric salt and pepper grinder. Add style and convenience to your kitchen with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This sleek automatic grinder set comes in a pack of 2. Perfect for salt, pepper, or any spice you love. Simply flip it upside down, and it automatically grinds. No buttons, no effort. The adjustable coarseness lets you choose how fine or coarse you want your seasoning, while the built-in LED light ensures perfect control, even during evening dinners or BBQs. Powered by batteries, these grinders combine power with precision, giving your meals that fresh, gourmet flavor every time. With their modern black design, they're not just practical, they're a stylish addition to your dining table or kitchen counter. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Convenience and flavor in every twist. Smart Food Warming Tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm, whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings, perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one mixing bowl set. This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids has everything you need for mixing, prepping, grating, and serving, all in one stylish khaki design. You'll get 6 different bowl sizes, 7, 4, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1 quart, perfect for everything from tossing salads to whipping batter. Each bowl comes with a tight seal lid to keep your food fresh, plus grater attachments that make slicing and prepping effortless. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady while you mix, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving guests, this mixing bowl set brings convenience, organization, and style to every cooking experience. Smart Food Scales. Syncs with Smart App. Download Food Diet app. Sync data like calories, macronutrients, protein, fat, and carbs. The user-friendly app contains extensive USDA food database, which also allow to add and customize your own food data into the app as needed. What's more, you can sync nutritional data with Apple Health and Fitbit app. It is the best food scale for diet, weight loss, or diabetics. Track Analysis. Marcos Food Diet app is designed to plan your intake in line with health goals. Through measuring over 20 kinds of food nutrition, such as calories, fat, protein, etc., the Calorie Food Scale help you to monitor portion intake and enable you to go back into history to get a weekly, monthly, yearly analysis report, which help to balance diet and achieve healthy goal. Continuous tear to zero with one-touch tear function. You will no longer trouble with complex steps to get net weight.